Good morning. This is Dr. S. Prince Samuel, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Biomedical Engineering at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. SNS College of Technology is the first Indian institution to implement the design thinking framework in the entire curriculum. In this PPT, I am going to explain about the business model canvas of a company which is listed in Y Combinator. The domain of this company is basically in the field of biomedical engineering, that is healthcare based industries. Because nowadays, if someone needs to start a startup or he wants to invest something, the best domain is healthcare industry, because the healthcare industries, particularly in the past 5 years, are booming to a very high extent. There are several problem statements associated with the healthcare industries, and the implementation of AI, it plays a vital role in the healthcare industries. The term AI means the anything which is controlled or which can be detected or which can be monitored by the use of artificial intelligence. This PPT explains about the Y Combinator listed company, Zeit Medical company. It is an AI-based startup company. They work particularly in the field of stroke detections, because this is one of the major problems among the aged people, and sometimes it even affected with the even with the people who are less below than 40 to 50. Let us see the overview of the company. It develops AI-enabled wearable biomedical projects. For example, even EEG, ECG monitoring. It detects strokes. What are the possible ways of a human body to get attacked by stroke? It detects using these kind of AI developed wearable technologies, and it immediately sends an emergency alerts for faster intervention. Within a fraction of second, it develops, gives alarms to the hospitals who are there associated with the family doctor. So the stroke response time is reduced. Generally, if a people is affected by a stroke, the maximum time he or she has to be treated within 30 minutes. So this company plays a vital role in helping the patients who are affected by a stroke. This company is a US based company. So when we speak about the business model canvas of any company, there are 9 factors to be considered. First one is nothing but customer segments, the customer relationships, the key activities, the value proposition, the revenue streams, the key partners, the cost structure, the channels, and the key resources. So among these 9 factors, each and every factor plays a vital role, because any company, the key activities means it is mainly divided on the research and development, because the R&D people, they find a solution for the problems. But once the product is found, how it is projected in the market or projected in the society is very important. Who are the channels, who are the key partners need to be associated. Since we are discussing about a medical related company, the first, the customer who is needs these kind of products is nothing but the hospitals, because they are the one who entirely buy the medical components, and nowadays it is be some kind of equipments is being sold even to private publics to in their homes, because some kind of wearable devices even we can have in our homes and monitor our day-to-day conditions. So the second point is nothing but the customer relationships and the customer segments. How the EMS monitors, how the caregivers are given training, how the remote monitoring is done, how the parameter is stored. These factors are discussed in the customer segments and the customer relationships. When we speak about the revenue streams, whether it is device sales or subscription models, what about the license? It is a permanent license or license to be renewed every 6 months or every 1 year. depending upon the condition of the equipment. And the third point is nothing but the cost structure. The R&D cost, the manufacturing cost, the software upgradation cost, or the hardware upgradation, how we are going to support the customer. These and all comes in the cost structure. Because once a product is launched, it is not an ending. There are several factors to be associated to sustain in the market. That the business model canvas, this AI-based algorithms, whether the algorithms are developed, even whether we are getting free software AI algorithms, all these factors need to be discussed. So the conclusion of this business model canvas is nothing but this Zeit Medical company, they mainly focus on the machine learning algorithms, AI-based algorithms to monitor the ECG, other kind of wearable devices.